Are you ready to step into a world of limitless earning potential? AI Avatar is ready to help you. This cutting-edge technology is changing the game for online entrepreneurs, providing incredible opportunities for those prepared to take advantage of them. Whether new to the digital space or a seasoned professional, this AI Avatar can take your earning potential to the next level. So, what are we waiting for? Join us today and start making money with AI Avatar right away.
Have you heard about Pictodream.com? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you turn yourself into a personalized digital image or even create an image of someone else. All you have to do is upload 10 to 20 photos of yourself or the person you want to create an image of. The AI will do the rest. The generated images are pretty cool. They can be used as your profile pictures, printed on canvas, or given as gifts to your loved ones. And the best part is that it's super simple to use. Just follow the steps and let the AI do its magic. The training process can take up a few hours, so you can relax, grab a coffee or go for a walk, and when it's done, you'll receive an email notification. Then you can get creative and create the most stunning images of yourself using the site's gallery of tips for inspiration. I know you're concerned about privacy, and so is Pictodream.com. They understand the importance of keeping your personal information secure, and that's why all the photos you upload are deleted from the server after 1 month. The site includes detailed information about privacy policies and terms of service, and if you have any questions, the contact information is readily available. The AI technology behind Pictodream.com is genuinely cutting edge. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the photos you upload and generate a digital image that resembles you or the person you're trying to create an image of. The generated image is so realistic, it will blow your mind. You'll be able to see how you would look with different hairstyles, outfits, and even accessories. It's like a virtual try-on without having to try anything on physically. But that's not all. The possibilities are endless with Pictodream.com. You can use the generated image as your new profile on your social media platforms and watch as your friends and followers react in awe. Or you can print the image on canvas and hang it on your walls. It's a unique and personalized piece of art that will brighten up any room. Another great thing about Pictodream.com is that it's a fantastic gift option. Imagine giving your friend or loved one a beautiful digital image of themselves printed on canvas. It's a thoughtful and personal gift that they'll treasure forever. So go ahead and try Pictodream.com. It's a fun, light-hearted way to play with your imagination and see yourself in a new light. I guarantee you'll have a blast. Have you heard about Reflect Me? It's a fantastic AI-based service that lets you create custom digital images of yourself that are truly one of a kind. With Reflect Me, you can make your own personalized AI avatar, profile picture, LinkedIn profile photo, and more. The best part is, it's so much fun. So how does it work? Reflect Me uses 2 state-of-the-art algorithms, Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth, to create your custom images. You can choose from a wide range of digital art styles, including anime, doctor, Santa, costume, bride, Viking, cartoon, aura, idol, astronaut, alumnus, chef, scion, king, and cowboy. With so many options, you can find one that suits your personality and style. To start, you simply upload some photos of yourself. These photos train a temporal AI model, which generates your desired images. The best part is Reflect Me checks each image manually to ensure the highest quality possible. Once the process is complete, the shots are emailed to you, and your photos and the AI model are deleted for good, so you can rest assured that your privacy is protected. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using Reflect Me. You should upload about 10 photos of your face and upper body in different lighting, angles, and facial expressions. These will help the AI model to create the best images possible. Then, images are provided in a square format, 512 or 512, so they're perfect for social media and other online profiles. Reflect Me offers a Discover pack of 20 images with your initial purchase. This is a great way to try out different art styles and see which ones you like best. And that's not all. Reflect Me is constantly updating and improving its service so that you can expect even more exciting features and options in the future. They're always on the cutting edge of technology and dedicated to providing their users with the best possible experience. Not only is ReflectMe fun and easy to use, but it's also affordable. With prices starting at just a few dollars, it's a small investment for a significant impact. You don't have to be a tech expert in using ReflectMe. The service is designed with the average person in mind, so anyone can enjoy it. Another great thing about ReflectMe is that it's perfect for all occasions. Whether you're looking to create a unique profile picture for social media or you're looking to revamp your LinkedIn profile for a job search, ReflectMe has got you covered. And with various art styles, you're sure to find one that fits your personality and style. In summary, ReflectMe is a must-try service for anyone looking to make a statement online. With its state-of-the-art technology, user-friendly interface, and affordable prices, it's no wonder why ReflectMe has become so popular. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for ReflectMe today and see why it's the best AI-based digital image creation service on the market. Profile Picture AI is a fantastic tool that lets you create a profile image that truly represents you and your personality. The device is powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, which means you can expect your profile image to look truly unique. Whether you're looking to stand out on social media, make a great first impression on a dating app, or just want to show off your unique style, Profile Picture AI has you covered. One of the best things about this tool is the wide range of styles and characters you can choose from. There are over 361 styles to pick from, including sharp, glowing, light, Elysian, professional, pin-up, wind goddess, utilitarian, fairy princess, armor, business, cafe, focus, battle royal, and others. Profile Picture AI is based in the Netherlands, and the company takes user privacy very seriously. They only store your data for as long as it takes to generate your profile image, after which it is deleted within 7 days. Plus, the company uses a secure payment system, Stripe, to ensure that your information is safe. To get the best results from Profile Picture AI, the service recommends you provide 10 close-up shots, 3 side profiles, 5 breast shots, and 3 full-length shots. The variety is vital, so experiment with different facial expressions, locations, backgrounds, and perspectives. You don't have to face the camera in every shot. Turning away can give a different perspective. High-quality photos work best. Minimal makeup is recommended as images can exaggerate too much. Swimsuits and underwear are acceptable, but the service asks that you avoid nudity. Different packages are available at different prices, starting at $7.25 and going up to $24.75. Each package includes different styles, photos, and format options. 11,211 customers have already used Profile Picture AI and are very happy with the results. And if you still need more than that, the company offers a 14-day refund policy. Profile Picture AI is run by Danny Postma, a Netherlands-based individual entrepreneur passionate about helping people create profile images that truly represent who they are. The company does not store your data or sell it to third parties. The data is securely stored in the United States by trusted partners. Payment is quick and secure, and you can create invoices after purchase. And best of all, once you've completed your profile image, you can use it anywhere you like. Whether you're looking to stand out on social media, make a great first impression, or just have some fun, Profile Picture AI is the perfect tool for you. Have you heard of the new AI-based application called Omniverse Audio 2-Phase from Nvidia? It's a game changer in 3D character animation, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. So what exactly is Audio 2-Phase? It's an application that simplifies the animation process for 3D characters, making it easy to match any voiceover or backstory. Whether you're an animator for a game, movie, or just for fun, Audio 2-Phase has got you covered. It can be used in real time for interactive applications, or as a traditional character creation tool. And the best part, the results can be run in real time or baked. It's up to you. Audio 2-Phase has many features that make it stand out from the rest. This application has got everything from meta-universe applications, data analytics, and healthcare to gaming, creative, and machine learning. With the latest update, the app now includes blending, shape conversion, and expert options, making it even more versatile and user-friendly. Now let me tell you how it works. All you have to do is record a soundtrack and enter it into the app. Then sit back and watch as your 3D face comes to life in real time. Yes, you heard that right. You can even create live animations using just your microphone. And the best part is, Audio to Face is capable of processing any language, making it accessible to people from all around the world. But that's not all. Audio to Face gives you the power to focus on any 3D human or face, whether realistic or stylized. With just a few clicks, you can even change characters on the fly, whether human or animal. And if you're working on a scene with multiple personalities, don't worry, Audio to Face can easily handle that too. You can run multiple instances of the app with any number of characters and animate them, all from different soundtracks. And the last but not least, Audio to Face gives you the ability to select and animate your character's emotions in a matter of seconds. The AI network automatically manipulates the movements of your face, eyes, mouth, tongue, and head to match the range of emotions you select in the intensity level you set. It's that simple. Download Nvidia Omniverse and get started with Audio to Face today. Once the installation is complete, just open the Omniverse launcher, locate Audio to Face under Applications, click Install, then Run. Trust me, you won't regret it. The latest update of the Omniverse Audio to Face app includes blend shape conversion and weight export options. You can now easily export and import from blend shapes for Blender and Epic Games Unreal Engine. You can even create character movements using the appropriate Omniverse connectors. So you're ready to bring your characters to life. In that case, all you need to do is download Nvidia Omniverse, run the installation, open the Omniverse launcher, locate Omniverse Audio to Face under Applications, click Install, and then run. With the Omniverse Audio to Face app, you'll be able to create stunning 3D character animations that are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. When creating an online presence, having a great profile photo is essential. But only some have the skills, resources, or time to take a professional image. That's where Amazing Photo comes in. This fantastic platform leverages the power of artificial intelligence to help users create amazing profile photos in just a few clicks. All you need to do is upload 20 photos of yourself, and the AI will do the rest. You'll be able to select from over 100 unique images, each with a stunning full HD resolution of 2048 on 2048. That's right, you can now have photos that look like a professional photographer took them without ever leaving your home. The AI model is designed to recognize specific individuals, making it perfect for those who want to showcase their unique personalities and styles in their photos. Whether you're an influencer, a business owner, or simply someone looking to refresh your profile picture, Amazing Photos is the perfect solution. One of the critical features of Amazing Photos is that it uses a particular version of Stable Diffusion technology to fine-tune the AI model with your photos and personalize it to your appearance. This means that the more you use the service, the better it will get at recognizing and creating images of you. Another great thing about Amazing Photos is that it takes privacy seriously. Your pictures and personal information are stored securely on servers in Frankfurt, Germany, and the company will never sell your data to third parties. Stripe, the industry leader in online payments, handles payments so you can rest assured that your payment details are safe and secure. And if you're unsatisfied with the photos generated, there's no need to worry. With the 14-day money-back guarantee, you can try out the service and receive a full refund if you still need more. To top it off, the website also uses cookies to improve user interaction, making the overall experience even more user-friendly. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone new to using AI, Amazing Photos make generating profile photos a breeze. So whether you're looking to create a new online profile or update your current one, Amazing Photos are the perfect solution. With world-class photo quality, ease of use, and complete privacy protection, what are you waiting for? Try it out today and see the excellent results for yourselves.